Okay, I finally get my clock to work somewhat. I wanted to make a clock for the longest while now, and I did my research online, and I found one that was pretty cool. It had buttons and everything, and so I follow his description exactly how it is on this link, and this is what I have right here. I have the Ds1307 time clock and the Dt11 temperature reader, and I got my buttons, and he uses 10k ohms resistor right here. So I'm using Arduino and the dot matrix. So I downloaded his sketch, but his sketch wasn't working for me, so I had to do some editing, and I'm not a great coder. I can read and understand coder. So when I uploaded his sketch, I got this error here. Right, to see. So that have to do with the temperature reader, the DHT11. So I go up to the line, and like this, I just / it and blot it out and try to make it work again. So it went down to this line, the DHT temperature reader, the input. So what's going to happen is my temperature is not going to work. And it went up to that line. Where is it? Right there. So I blot it out. That didn't work. And it finally did work. So I uploaded the code, and this is what I get. The time clock did work. It's holding time and everything. If I unplug it, it will keep the time when I plug it back in, and I could adjust the date and time, just like he have it on the website. You know, the first hand, the second hand, even the seconds I could adjust. Right? So today is November the 10th, Saturday 2018. So you go back to normal time, and I could adjust the intensity of the dot matrix. The intensity of the light on the dot matrix. So that work, but my thermostat don't work. So I gotta figure out how to make this thermostat work. But hey, if I don't, shoot, I got a clock that's working. So thank you, maker of this. And if anybody have any idea, a great coder out there, just give me a text and help me out on how to tell me what I did wrong or what's not working. I'm using an iMac, and this guy, he uses the parallel sketch, and so he started from the parallel sketch to write his rest of codes. Okay.